How long has it been snowing out there? It's like a winter wonderland. Yeah, I'm not gonna predict that. Definitely not. Oh yeah, there's a lot of fresh powder on the ground. You see there? Near, I don't know why the heck I could still see grass. There's tons of snow on the ground. But I'm glad we got the heat pump up anyways. Well, hope it's successful. It's beginning to get kind of dark. Oh, it's getting real dark in the bathroom. So this thing's doing its heating. Yep, definitely working. And for all you viewers, take a look at this. It is a homemade heat pump. And while it's automatic, it will steadily, kind of slowly heat your home when the power's out by using air circulation. Oh, I can't even see the roads anymore. How's it going over here, Matt? I cannot see anything out there. Well, you can see the trees, other houses. You can't really see any of the ground. Because, well, snow's everywhere. Oh my. It's only starting. Yeah, imagine what it'd be like later on today. Yeah, imagine that. Well, current update is 2:22 p.m. Just got finished preparing everything. Snow just got light for a second, now it's tampering to the heavy again. Snow is beginning to really come down and accumulate on the ground. The wind isn't expected to kick until a little bit later. But there is some wind out there, just not much. By 3 p.m., this might be a full-blown storm. Yeah, probably by 3 p.m. Everything's prepared. We still haven't lost power. And well, it's still daytime anyways, so no need for the lights yet. Oh, there's tons of snow up there. So, you can really see this light. Really bright. Well, yeah. This thing's still got a smooth run. Acting like the Blizzard 2013. You know, Winter Storm Demo from like 4 years ago. Ugh. Where it begins to snow very light during the day, and as it gets further into the night, conditions get worse. This is basically what it is right now. So it's just like Nemo. you're telling me. So the storm we had 4 years ago. Yeah. And, a little like Juno. Because it has to take time to develop. Let's move. Yeah. Storm is developing. I don't know what the heck's gonna happen, but, well. Hope nothing bad happens. Tons of snow out there. I can't even... Oh! So I was saying, I can't even see the roads. I can't tell where the grass of the roads are. Or driveway or any pavement. Yeah, I just can't tell anything out there. So much snow, it's covering everything. I can't see the road. Well, probably the best thing to do right now during this blizzard is to take shelter, and if the power is lost, these videos, and I'm planning to upload it the next day. So today is like the 7th of January or something. And well, if the power does not go out, I'll be able to get these up by January 8th. If it doesn't, it remains out through that day, then they're gonna be out. Then these videos will be up January 9th. Hopefully. I'm gonna have to say what happens. I got absolutely no idea. Here are the emergency lights on auto, ready for a striking, rolling by power outage. This bathroom's basically the darkest room. It's really dark here. Well, visibility's getting kind of poor. Tons of snow is coming down, and really fast rate. And well, conditions are gonna get worse soon. Well, you don't have to be serious. We're trying to make good videos. Entertainment. Oh, wait a minute. This is a couch, not you, Wario. Dang it. Whatever happens, we're prepared at least. Yep, flashlights and everything. Yeah. Tell you what, Wario. It's gonna go. I gotta go check the basement. Wait a minute, what? What now? I have to check the basement, the backup battery, so... Yeah, I'll be back soon, Wario. Time to go check. Ah, flashlight. Ah. Well, Frank's down the basement checking the battery. He'll be back. He'll be back. He'll definitely be back. But in the meantime, this video is actually coming to a close, so thank you for watching this video. And if you enjoyed this part, please leave a like. And if you want to see the next part, then that's going to be the next video that pops up. So, goodbye for now. I hope to see you in the next video.